What is object-oriented programming? An object-oriented programming (OOP) is a modular approach, which allows the data to be applied within the stipulated program areas. It also provides the reusability feature to develop productive logic, which means giving more emphasis on data. The different object-oriented programming languages are C++, Java, Smalltalk, and Simula67, Eiffel etc. What is OOP? OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. It is a fundamental programming concept that developers use the concept of classes and objects to tie data and functions together. Basically, OOPs use a different set of programming languages than the older procedural programming languages, C, Pascal, etc. In OOP, everything is grouped as self-consistent objects. Therefore, you achieve reusability through the four main object-oriented programming concepts. Features of object-oriented programming. It gives stress on the data items rather than functions. It simplifies the whole problem by dividing it into several objects. The objects can be used as a bridge to have data flow from one function to another. You can easily modify data and functions as per your requirement. What are the fundamental pillars of OOPs? The four basic concepts of object-oriented programming are inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation.